Good morning. We have just left Englewood and we are now sitting in some New Jersey traffic. It's a beautiful fall day. Fall temps have finally arrived and we are en route to Bolton Landing for a weekend with our Sienna family friends. More fun to come. Shut up, Benders.
So we just arrived, well, we just unpacked. We arrived and unpacked at this farmhouse that we rent for the weekend. I just wanted to give you guys a tour of the place. It's the old farmhouse. So here we go, coming through the back. There's a laundry room, bathroom, kitchen, and this is like a backyard / deck to hang out. Then this is the living room area. It's the TV, dining table. First bedroom, and let's go upstairs. Here's a bedroom, bathroom, and this is our room. We stayed here last year as well. We really like this room. So here is another part of the house on the first floor. So all the way to the back here is another bedroom. Closet, another bedroom, and here is the bathroom. It's a big tub and a shower. So right now it's about 3:30. I'm gonna try to go out for a quick bike ride, maybe a 20 miles ride. I just can't wait because it's so nice out here, and you know, with the road midday, it's gonna be nice and quiet, and it's just gonna be really beautiful views. So here's my bike. All right. been riding for about an hour and I saw a total of 3 cars. I feel like I have the road all to myself here. It is a beautiful Friday afternoon. It looks like the road ends. It's gonna be dirt road from here, apparently. Did not know that. Wow. My GPS still telling me to go keep going. So just descended on this dirt road behind me, and then it still have some more to go, but I just wanted to show the stream here. It's really nice. It's really quiet. So it just got a flat. Just realized it. Well, let's change the flat. The flat is fixed. Hopefully it stays fixed, because I only have one tooth. We are at the Sagamore Hotel. Just going to do some sightseeing. Hanging out here in downtown Lake George, enjoying the sun and what is it, fall, enjoying fall weather,
And watching the wedding photo shoot that's going on behind us a little bit.